Furniture Making and the East Asian Tradition by Seth Harter of Emerson College. Craftsman Statement. 10 years ago, I sponsored a student thesis exploring commonalities between Scandinavian folk schools, a 12th century Chinese building manual, and wooden furniture joinery. The experience reanimated a love of woodworking that had lain dormant in me since childhood. Since then, I've developed a furniture making practice that seeks to combine reverence for traditional Asian techniques and forms while still providing room for original design. Beginning in 2017, I started to professionalize this hobby by teaching basic courses in Japanese joinery and sharpening techniques, and by researching contemporary Japanese furniture makers. Now I see my craft practice as a complement to my ethnography. I can better understand the delights and challenges of furniture making when I turn my own hands to it. The following images explore a sampling of these delights.